Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
Raksha Bandhan is close, and whether you're tying a Rakhi to your brother, to your sister, or even your best friend, it's a time for celebrating the ones who love and support you. And celebrations call for gifts and dressing up. While I can't really help you with the gift, I do have you sorted on the dressing up bit. So if you want to know how I achieved this look right here, then keep on watching. Prep your face with a light moisturizer. Use a medium coverage foundation or BB cream to get a natural dewy look. Set the base with a compact to keep it in place all day. Go a little heavy on the blush to lightly contour your cheekbones. Fill in your brows lightly to give it a very natural light effect. Use a brown eyeshadow as your transition shade and to contour your nose a little, just to add more definition to your look. Also go ahead with the same shade under your waterline. Add a brown eyeshadow on the outer V. Mix a rose gold eyeshadow with a gold eyeshadow and pat it onto your lid using your finger. Either use an eyeliner or kajal, whatever you're comfortable with. I love using my eyeliner. Add a generous coat of mascara to finish the eye look. A simple nude lipstick will be the perfect addition and would work with all your outfits. Keep the hair simple by curling the ends of the hair using a thick barrel. Take a section from the front, twist it, pin it at the back, and you're done. What I love about this look is that it's not over the top and it can practically work with any outfit that you choose for the day. Even with the hairstyle, it's super simple and it can work with any hair length. So let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Also, now that I think about gifting options, I can actually help you with that. All that you have to do is head over to the POPxo shop and you'll get amazing options for cushion covers, mugs, laptop sleeves and a lot more. Just make sure you click on the link in the description box below and you'll be done. And for more makeup tips and tricks, don't forget to tune into POPxo Beauty.